What's going on, guys? It is your boy Finger Legendary. Today we're going to be bringing a brand new video. Now before we get into this video, I just want to say please drop a like, subscribe, and you know, turn on post notification with that bell icon. If you press it, you're gonna get notified. Everything is on the description information. So basically yesterday, I'm sorry for not doing a video, cause man, yesterday, oh my god, the fireworks so crazy that I even cannot even sleep properly. I sleep at 2 a.m. Then after that, I wake up at 5. Then after I sleep again and I wake up at 10. So basically, this is like 11 o'clock already. Man, the fireworks was so loud that I cannot sleep. I was hearing boom like that a lot. They stop for a moment. Then after that, they go again. They stop. Then after that, they go again. So I cannot sleep properly yesterday. So basically, a lot of people have been asking me why you keep doing vlogs. It's your ugly face is not even on the screen. Sorry, okay, sorry. I'm not gonna do vlogs more often because I don't know what to upload. To be honest with you, if I keep uploading videos with no stopping for chances, or maybe like a lot of time. But this is absolutely bombers. I thought it was something going on, but as you can see, I'm not like confusing type of thing like that. Hey. Yeah, this is not a monkey. This is if Malay call it bro, but I don't know what English call it. Looks cool. Looks scary. It's not even smiling. Wait, it is smiling. Hey, I never noticed it. It did smile. Yeah. This is actually the most creepiest doll ever. Look at this. This is okay. As you can see, I don't know if you can see. It's bigger in my hand. So like I said, I cannot sleep last night. Oh my god, OMG. I sleep at 2 a.m. I cannot even wake up at 5, but I did wake up. And yeah, so this information to I think tomorrow is Deepavali. I think I upload this video maybe next 3 days or whatever. So yeah, sorry for the late upload. If you are new, like I said, please subscribe to this channel. I'm just gonna show you the clip right now. It was so crazy. Hi there. I'm gonna show you the clip. What the guys, what the oh my god. OMG, man. OMG, BBG. So yeah, that was the clip. As you can see, the biggest firework ever. I didn't record it outside because it's at 12 a.m. I don't know what I'm going to do at 12 a.m. I'm not gonna go out there. So I didn't go out, and even I didn't go out. I didn't open the window or anything. I can hear it from inside. That is for far away, like far away. It's exactly like so noisy. If you don't know, you can hear the background voice. I'm gonna keep it high a little bit so you can hear it. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, this is just a short video. So hope you all enjoyed. If you are new, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and thumbs up this video, and comment down below. You want me to do vlogs or you don't want me to do vlogs? Not just that. Subscribe, turn on post notifications with that bell icon. You're pressing gonna get notified every week I upload a video. My god, that was a long voice. It's been me, Finger Legendary. I'm out. Peace. My god, it's so creepy as hell.
Yeah. Straight up to my face, tryna play it safe. Vibes switch like night and day. I can see it like right away.